Okay, so here is a quick tutorial on how you can generate a logbook in Uganda. It's important to know that logbooks can only be generated twice. Beyond that, you may have to require some payment again at URA. So you only have two free chances to generate logbooks. So again, enter in your TIN and your password. Okay, and let's enter the security code. And log in. Close this. Okay, skip. Let me just skip this. Skip. Okay, so when you get here, go to motor vehicle. Okay, and then there's a place for generate logbook. Okay, let's go down a bit. Motor vehicle right here. Print a logbook. It's this one right here. Print a logbook, not generate. Print a logbook. Okay, click it. Again, it's loading. Probably this happens when the URL system is busy. Okay, so when you get here, ignore the acknowledgement number and go to vehicle number. In my case, again, everything should be in caps and no space. Just enter the number plate and submit. Do you really want to submit? Say okay. Let's wait. Say okay. And let's, process is still happening. And there it is. So this is, let it just display. I want everything to display so you see how it looks like. But you can read up here. If the receipt is not visible in the section below, please download the Adobe Reader by clicking here. Okay, so it may not display, but let's click here and we see it in Adobe. And sometimes it displays. For today's case, it didn't display. So let's see what the Adobe Reader will get us. Okay, I didn't want to take this step. Okay, I think it's just a matter of patience. And here's the logbook, so all I need to do is click the download button here. And I'm supposed to see a download message. Let's wait, it's here. Alright, and I'll call this logbook, and give it your name or whatever you wish. Say in this instance, or team. And yes, and there it is. You've got your logbook. It's downloaded. Thank you.